this is fun. This is our game. It'll look real nice when we get it all done. So,
Okay.
see, it was gone 23 years. So we got to bring it back slowly, back together. We made a lot of changes what we had before. Was a lot of changes. It was an automatic transmission, and now it's going to be a 5-speed out of a Mustang. Standard shift instead of automatic. I think we're going to leave the same paint, same color. I think that's what Sean's thinking we're going to do. Use the same color as it is now. Just to fix all the scratches or dents or anything that's in there. And new upholstery in it. Paint all the trim inside. Fix it like a brand new 57 Ford 2-door station wagon. It'll be unique.
Where are you going to drive it to first?
Well, I probably just downtown. I'll probably just go for a cruise downtown. Have the exhaust is all going to be in behind the fenders and then next to the engine. This is the latest. I cut those out. I've got to fit it in there. And a friend, one of my friends, Mike Stang, will come over and weld this all in tomorrow. And then it'll be ready for the body shop, for the paint shop. So that's been today's project. So I've still got plenty of work to do on the front end here. Sean's got some metal, and we're going to fill all this in and weld that all up, all the holes. We used to have heaters and stuff. We're using that now. This is going to be a fair weather car. Plenty of this. There seems to be a lot of friends of Sean and I are very interested in this project. Very interested. So that kind of makes it exciting.